What's up, everybody? I'm Steve. This is Dirty Nails Workshop. Sorry if I sound like I have a cold, but I do. But I'm getting through it. Anyhow, this is a video trying to fix up a plumb 1/4 inch ratchet that I got a number of tool hauls back. And it would click in one direction, but not the other. So I opened it up to see if I could figure out what the problem was, and I found out what the problem was. So I'm gonna get the camera spinned around and show you and see if we can get this thing working again. All right, so this is the good Paul. This is the bad one. This was my problem. And this round part right here broke. You can kind of still see the crack. But I put some JB weld on this, and we'll see if this will help it. This little detent is, show you now so it'll be easier. There's a spring on both sides. Of course, it's narrow there on the top end and narrower on the top end than the bottom end. And the top end is what fits inside this little detent. At least I think that's how it goes. So let's see if we can get this thing going. And if I get my hands in the way, I apologize, but I don't know any other way to get in here and work. All right, so this little razor blade is just going to help me, excuse me, lift this thing up probably. And such a small little spring. All right. I hope that thing stays. I'm just moving the selector around the other way so that it opens it up enough for me to get these springs in. But on this side, it's still not much. Oh man, it's not a lot. Hello. Oh, maybe, sorry. Talking to myself, trying to encourage myself. It's so small though. And I'm in my own light, in my own way. Oh boy. See, that's what these little springs do. They try to get away from you. I can't see what I'm doing, but it's coming. There we go, it's coming. All right. I'm sorry my hands are in the way, but there's only so much I can do to be able to work and let y'all see. All right, I think that's seated down. The springs look like they're in the right place. All right, so we'll see if we get clickage here on both sides. No, something's wrong. See? Let's see what it is. This one spring looks sort of out of joint. Well, I don't know. It works all right that way. So this thing was made probably in the 1940s. So we'll give it a little bit of grace. It's tired. Alright, so I'm going to switch it around. I guess what's going on is it's not enough to push that out of the way. I don't know what else to do to it. I'm going to pause it for a second and look at something.